Hello everyone, I am back to another video, and I am playing a VR video actually, so let's do this. I never made a VR video before, but I am doing this using an app actually. Okay, here. I'm getting up. Okay, I got everything. Okay, no.
Hello, Phil. I'm James. I'm your boss.
I'm Phil and he's James.
Welcome at the supermarket. You have to help the customers if they ask you. You will get your payment at the end of the day. Now go and do your work, Phil. You see that guy on the left side?
Okay.
He needs some help. Hey, someone. Please, I need some help.
Okay, how do I walk? Whoa, what the heck? Wait, do I? Oh, okay, I'm walking. Okay. Now.
Mr. Phil, I bought this Coke from this supermarket and I realized at home that it's opened. Please change it to a new one to me. Thanks.
Okay, I'll change it out for a new one. If this thing gets out of my face. Okay, now. Okay, so this is my first VR video actually.
Maybe in the storage room. I can't take things from the shelves.
Wait, so here. Can I grab it somehow? Grab it? No, I don't want to go inside of it here. How do I grab that? Grab it. Grab it. Wait, he said storage room. He can't. Why can't you grab things from shelves? Okay, I think that was me talking at least. Anyways, okay, turn. Okay. You have to actually walk on here. In real life to actually walk on here in storage room. Is this it? This looks like a storage room. Okay. So, where is it? Storage. Is it like just a soda sitting down? Let me see. I feel like what? Whoa, I'm going inside of things. I think I glitched the game. Wait, what is that? Here, I thought I saw something. If I could turn around. Okay. Nothing over there. What? Oh, I think that's it. Okay. Now I spent a long time in here. Okay, grab that. Okay, now I turn this way.
At least it's like cola.
What? Okay, that was an alarm. Let's just forget about that and keep going. Okay. It's not a cola, but he thinks. Oh yeah, it was a grape one. I think his was a grape one, and we're giving him an orange one. I think. Yeah, that's orange. Okay, if I could walk over here. Walk over here. Sorry if it's a little shaky because I'm walking right now. But I'm not using my phone's mic right now. I'm using an actual mic for it. Yeah.
Hey, what is this? Are you the new guy? Never mind. I have to go.
Jesus, this guy is drunk.
What? What's he doing? What? He's drunk? What? I can't. Where's the security guy? This guy's drunk? Did you see him? He was walking all weird. He's drunk? Oh, whoa. I'm getting a little too close. Okay. Where's security? How do I call security? Where would security be? What are you doing? Hey, do you know where security is, sir? No? No? You don't know where security is? Okay. I'll just go. Okay, this guy, I don't think this guy's security. Wait, did you see his foot? It went inside of there. His foot's going inside of there. Whoa, and like getting in his butt. What? Okay, let's just keep walking. This is the storage, I think. Wait, no. Why is the door shut to the storage? What? Was this here before? Let me keep walking. Who's this guy? Or was this the storage right here? What the heck? Move out of the way, you shelf! Yeah, that's the storage. So that means... This guy looks like a bodyguard. I'm not bodyguard, security.
Here. I don't care. I'm just chilling. It's my last day over here. I hate this job. Great. I have to scare the drunk dude somehow.
Wow.
Maybe with a broom. It's in the storage.
Wow, security is not even helping. Okay, he said something about storage and a broom. Wasn't there a something like that? Broom, yeah. Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, turn around. Whoa. Okay, we have to walk all the way to the other side of the store now. Great. Oh, this gives you a workout. Whoa, whoa. I'm like stuck inside the door. Whoa. Like, what? 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 Okay, let's just turn around this way. Whoa, move out of the way. Okay. So, if you guys want to see more VR videos, like and subscribe. And also press the bell icon next to my channel name so that next to the subscribe button. So, sorry, I'm trying to focus on walking. Click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I make a video. So yeah, anyways, and it could be VR. Okay, get out of here.
Get out of here before I sweep your
This
head.
head. I'm putting this.
Hey
Putting
man,
me-
chill, I'm not drunk.
This in
But
his
okay,
face.
I'm out of here.
Okay. What's he doing? I need to walk over here. No, where'd he go?
Come to the storage immediately.
Walk. No, I can't go over there.
Come to the storage
Okay.
immediately. Phil, come to the storage
Phil
immediately.
is me, I think. Yeah, Phil is me. Let's keep walking and go back to storage. Okay, keep on walking and we could get there. Okay. You can hurry up or you just take your time. Just keep walking. Okay. Now, this is a storage room right here. Okay, that's my boss, I think. James, I think. I think it's James. Turn, and I could go that way.
That's enough for one day. You can go now.
Oh,
Here's your
thank you. My money.
Thanks, James.
A funny
It was
day.
a funny day.
Okay, let's sweep this guy's head. So I could walk to him. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Sweep his head. Sweep his head. Okay, it froze on his face. That's creepy. Okay, I think that's the end of the game. Okay, guys. Whew. So, that's the end of the game. I hope you guys like this video. I will make another video like this. Probably like and subscribe to my channel. I will also probably make another one, as I said. Anyways, press the bell icon next to my channel, next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I make a video. And goodbye.